For thousands of years, intelligence made humans superior. But now, for the first time in history, humanity is creating something that may outperform the human mind itself. Most people think AI is just another technology trend. They are wrong. AI is not replacing muscle like machines did during the Industrial Revolution. It is replacing cognition itself. Every major invention changed the human mind. Writing weakened memory. GPS weakened navigation. Social media fragmented attention. But AI may become the first tool in history that replaces thinking itself. And most people have no idea it's already happening. Governments are not treating AI like an app. They are treating it like nuclear infrastructure because the real fuel of AI isn't code, it's power, electricity, semiconductors, data centers. The next global superpower may not be the country with the biggest army, but the country with the most intelligence. But the real danger may not be that AI becomes smarter than humans. The real danger is humans becoming cognitively dependent on AI. What happens when an entire generation stops learning how to think deeply? Because the terrifying part is this: AI may not be the final invention humanity creates. It may be the invention that begins creating everything after it. And the people who understand this first may control the future. In the next video, I'm going to reveal why some experts believe AI could create a new class system more powerful